As we all know that summer season is going on, we have lot of perspiration over our face. So those who have oily skin or pimple prone skin, if they wipe their face with hand or with handkerchief again and again, then there is a risk that the dust on our hand, it repeatedly it sticks on our face, and then it causes more pimples. So what we should do, at least we should wash our face three to four times a day. Second thing, when we apply hair oil to our scalp, those who are having pimples on their skin, that hair oil, due to sweating, that oil may run on our face and it may again aggravate your pimples. So you should avoid actually the applying more oil on your scalp. Third thing is, when you sleep, if your pillows are also stained with oil, then and you sleep on your face, then again there is risk of aggravation of your acne. So there is some people think that pimple will come and it will go and there is no need to take treatment, but this is wrong notion, because earlier, say some 30 years ago, there were not so many dermatologists and people were not aware of they were not actually aware to take care of your skin. So but nowadays, the children who are going in school, or teenagers or college going students, already at that stage only, if you take care of your skin, you will avoid further complications. Suppose patient is having pimple prone skin, acne prone skin and oily skin, so the pimples can be anywhere from whitehead, blackhead, or they can be grade 3-4 acne. So grade 4 acne will eventually, it will go, pimple will go, but what will happen, it will leave its scar, and scars are difficult to treat as compared to pimples. So at the onset only, if we make a regime of our skin care and we use products that are for oily skin according to as suggested by our dermatologist, and we take some medicines whatever is suggested by our doctor, then the further complications, that means scar, we can avoid the scars, we can avoid the hyperpigmented patches which come after healing of the pimples, and we can decrease the number of pimples coming on our face. We all know that there are oil secreting glands on our face. That's why at this age, means 11 to 25, at this age there are hormonal changes, and under the influence of these hormones, these glands over secrete and then there is pimple outburst. But nowadays there is a changing scenario. After 25 age also there is increase in pimple. This is just only due to lifestyle, that is more of junk food we are eating, and then again it has led to hormonal imbalance and pimple outburst. So the key factor behind this is remain active. You have to have some exercise in the form of walking or some any other sports, half hour per day or at least 4 times in a week. And whatever craving you are having for the junk food, samosa, oily, sugary food, that you should limit yourself to having it once in 15 days or in 1 month. But every day you should have fresh fruits, vegetables, pulses, all kind of useful foods, whatever you are taught in your schools. But nowadays, due to changing scenario, whatever we are following is a wrong type of diet, and that has led to the hormonal imbalance, and whatever diseases regarding skin and hairs are coming up. So for pimple prone skin, remember to wash your skin, remember to consult your dermatologist and follow whatever advice he or she has given. And if there are scars, then the dermatologist will suggest you some procedures like laser procedures for the scars, and for the dark pigmented spots also lasers and peeling, or some chemicals are applied on your face and then it is washed off. So what will happen is the dead skin will get removed and new skin will be formed, and that will help in removal of the pimples, its spots, dark patches, and the regeneration of skin will be there. So all these are beneficial for us. There is no side effect of all these. When we hear the word chemical, we feel that it will have side effect, but there is no such thing as side effects, because under the supervision of a medical dermatologist, he will check your skin and then only he will apply whatever he has to apply, the peeling agents. So no need to worry. Whatever precautions, after precautions, you have to apply the moisturizers frequently, and it will be beneficial for you to get a glowing skin.